Bitcoin is by far the most popular cryptocurrency around, but finding the best Bitcoin wallet for your needs is not an easy task. I'm Nate Martin, and we're going to give you 99 Bitcoin's top 3 picks for the best Bitcoin wallets in our 2-minute review. Choosing the right type of Bitcoin wallet depends a lot on your specific needs and your personality. If your main requirements are storing large amounts of coins with security and usability, then your best option is a hardware wallet such as the Ledger Nano X or the Trezor Model T. Both wallets are ultra secure, easy to use, support a wide variety of coins along with Bitcoin, and have a proven track record. The Nano X has the upper hand when it comes to mobile phone connectivity and a lower price tag, while the Model T's open source code makes it the preferred choice for security enthusiasts. If you don't want to spend money on a hardware wallet, then the most feature-rich Bitcoin software wallet is Electrum. This open source Bitcoin-only wallet started out in 2011 and has been the pinnacle of Bitcoin wallets ever since. While its user interface isn't very appealing, Electrum is a powerhouse for storing and managing Bitcoin. Its features include multi-sig, offline signing of transactions, address labeling replaced by fee, and more. Electrum is available for most popular platforms, except for iOS. It can also work together with a hardware wallet, giving you a combined experience of security packed with an impressive variety of features. Finally, if you're a complete privacy buff that doesn't want to rely on anyone else but themselves and are looking for complete sovereignty, download the Bitcoin Core wallet. This Bitcoin-only wallet downloads the complete Bitcoin blockchain to your computer, giving you the ability to verify every Bitcoin transaction on the network independently. Additional features include increased privacy, transaction fee management, and helping keep the Bitcoin network more secure. On the downside, you'll need several hundred gigabytes of free space, making it compatible only with a desktop computer. Also, its user interface is very technical, so if you're not tech savvy, this is not the wallet for you. That's our top 3 picks for the best in Bitcoin wallets. For more information and detailed reviews about these and other wallets, check the links in the description below this video. That's it for today's 2-minute review, and I'll see you in a bit. If you've enjoyed this video, leave us a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe and click the notification bell so you don't miss a review, news update, or the clearest information about Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies anywhere.